Day. This quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and supported by the College of Science and the College of Engineering. We appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to you. Remember, the 2025 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by KNUST e-learning. For all our media and video coverages, we are grateful. Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST. Thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. The venues you provide to support the quiz are all well appreciated. Dext Technologies. At Dext Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality, and you always make it very exciting and hands-on. Ghana Grid Company Limited, GridCo, provide reliable electricity grid for development. MTN Stakeholders Management, everywhere you go. Nestle Ghana Limited, good food, good life. Kesben TV, our media partners. We say thank you for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcasts and commitments to quality have significantly amplified our reach and our impacts. We deeply appreciate your dedicated support and collaboration. So let me use this opportunity to salute all the heads of the various schools and the dedicated teachers who have spent time preparing contestants for this contest. To our gallant students proudly representing their schools in the competition, for burning the midnight oil and getting their names registered in the competition, we say well done. To our jubilant supporters too, both gathered present and online, you are well appreciated. A thunderous round of applause for all. My name is Lauren Sala, Department of Physiology in the School of Medical Sciences, KNUST. I will be your quiz moderator for this contest. Remember that the Jsmq program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high school to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principles underlying the life and physical sciences. It is expected to make science and mathematics friendly and promote teamwork and critical thinking right from the early stages in life. Contesting in this third contest of the day, we have Elmina Methodist JHS-A, Police Basic School, Cape Coast, Elmina Methodist JHS-B. If our contestants are in the house, I would want you to introduce yourselves. So Elmina Methodist JHS-A is represented by and your name again?
Basic 9.
Welcome to this contest. Police Basic School, Cape Coast is represented by
Emmanuel Abraham, Basic 9.
And
Vanessa Hammond, Basic 9.
Emmanuel and Vanessa, you're most welcome. Elmina Methodist JHS-B is also presented by
Maria Goretti AC Pram, Basic 8.
Mills Inshaba Emirko, Basic 7.
Okay, permit me, Shiraba and AC. I would use those names. You're welcome. So we would want to pre-test our buzzers. Let me just kindly ask all contestants to put their microphones on and kindly keep them on. Do not turn them off till the end of the contest. Preferably, you may move towards the mic and not be moving it up and down. So contestants, you have buzzers in front of you. Am I right? You have buzzers in front of you. Yes?
Yes, please.
All
Yes,
right.
please.
So I'll need you to test your buzzers. So can we hear the sound from the buzzer for Elmina Methodist JHSA? Thank you very much. Police Basic School, Cape Coast. Thank you. Elmina Methodist JHSB. Thank you very much, contestants. As we have tested our buzzers, we can begin our contest. This contest will be in 4 rounds. Round 1 is the fundamentals. Round 2 is the fastest finger, fastest brain. Round 3 is the science and technology challenge. And round 4 is decoding the clues. Contestants, I will be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. Before we start round 1, I would want Essie to tell me what her favorite meal is. Essie, what food do you like best? I got you off guard. What food do you like best? Well, Essie is poised and prepared for the contest, so she can't actually remember the food she likes best. Essie, I like fufu and light soup. And then my second best is bangu and okra soup, fetridechi. After the contest, everybody will tell me what they like. All right, so be relaxed and let's enjoy our time together. Round 1. This round consists of questions from biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the 2 other schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Take note of that, by ringing the buzzer. Failing to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question will nullify your answer. Thus, no point would be scored even if your answer was right. Best wishes to all competing schools. Question 1. It's a preamble to all schools. State the function of the following structure. Elmina Methodist JHSA. Phloem. Phloem.
So the phloem cells carry nutrients from the.
Okay. Police Basic School, bonus.
The phloem cell transports nutrients and water throughout the plant.
Not entirely correct. Okay. Police Basic School, Cape Coast, your question. Xylem.
The xylem cells transport food and nutrients from the roots to the stem and leaves.
That is correct. That is correct. Elmina Methodist JHSB. Capillaries.
They transport blood in the body. It is where deoxygenate
Elmina Methodist A. A bonus to Elmina Methodist A.
They transfer blood into cells.
Come again. The mic is not, you're
They,
not audible.
they carry blood into cells or body cells.
Entirely not correct. Question 2 is a preamble to all schools. You have been provided the pH of some liquids. A pH of 2, 3.2, 5, 6.4, 10, 14. Match the substance given to you to its appropriate pH value. Police Basic School, Cape Coast. Fresh apple cider.
Five.
Incorrect.
6.4.
Incorrect. It goes out for a bonus. Elmina Methodist B.
2.
Incorrect. It is 3.2. Elmina Methodist JHSB. White bread.
$6.4.
Incorrect.
10.
Incorrect. Bonus. Police Basic School.
14.
Incorrect. The answer is 5. Elmina Methodist JHSA. Sweet corn. Go ahead. I can't hear you.
6.4.
Basic, all right. Police Basic School. Your buzzer sounded out before the time up, so I'll give you the opportunity to answer.
2.
Incorrect. The answer is actually 6.4. But Elmina Methodist JHSA, you were timed out before you said 6.4. Okay, that is why I didn't give it to you. In a competition, time is also of the essence. Okay, I'm told the problem is actually from the microphone. So I would give you your point. So the points have been added. So can I? Yes, for Elmina Methodist JHS, you've gotten your full points. All right. So can I caution you, contestants, avoid moving the microphone and holding it as you speak. I think you should center it in the middle of the desk and then rather move to answer the question, okay? Because moving it up and down can also create some problems. So position it at one place and you just move your body to answer the question. Thank you very much. We move on to question 3. It's a preamble to all schools. Your class is working on a group assignment about climate change in Ghana. Each group is using a computer at the ICT lab to find information online. To complete your research quickly and efficiently, you decide to use keyboard shortcuts whilst browsing. Provide the correct shortcuts for each of the following tasks. Elmina Methodist JHSB. To open a new tab and search for more information.
Control plus M.
Incorrect.
Control plus T.
That is correct. Elmina Methodist JHSA. To close the current tab after reading an article.
W. Control plus W.
That is correct. Right? Kindly do not hold the microphone again. Okay, Bright, try not to hold the microphone. Then again, the first time, I didn't hear you. Question 3. For Police Basic School, Cape Coast, to refresh the web page when the internet glitches.
Windows plus R.
Incorrect.
Control plus R.
Incorrect. Elmina Methodist B.
F5.
That is correct. F5 is correct. Before we go on to question 4, we will take a little break. Stay glued to your seats. Our viewers online, do not go. Please remain with us. We just take a little break. We'll be back shortly. Welcome back after our short break. We would continue with round one, which is made up of the fundamentals. So round one, question 4. It's a preamble to all schools, and you have 40 seconds to answer your question. The preamble reads, simplify the following expressions. Elmina Methodist JHSA, 4xy times 2 plus 9xy cubed over 3y squared.
XY.
11xy is correct. Police Basic School. Police Basic School. 3x squared y times 4 plus 20x cubed y over 4x.
$17x squared y.
That's correct, Vanessa. Well done. Elmina Methodist JHSB. 2xy times 6 plus 15xy squared over y.
That's a 1xy.
Incorrect.
$27 plus 2x plus 2y.
That is incorrect. Goes out for a bonus. It goes out for a bonus.
Y.
Elmina Methodist A.
27xy.
That is correct for a bonus. So you earn 1 point. Question 5 also has a preamble. It also takes 40 minutes to answer. The preamble is to all schools, and it reads, in a screw jack, a load of 2,000 N is lifted by applying an effort of 250 N. Police Basic School. Find the mechanical advantage.
$8.
8 is correct. Give them a round of applause. Elmina Methodist JHSB. If the effort moves 50 cm for every 2 cm, the load rises. Find the velocity ratio.
400 kilometers per hour.
Incorrect.
Hundred thousand.
Incorrect. Goes out for a bonus. A bonus. Police Basic School.
1:4.
Please repeat the answer.
1:4.
1:4 is 25. That is bonus. Elmina Methodist JHSA. Calculate the efficiency of the jack. Tell them it's not showing. Tell them when they sound the buzzer.
%800.
That is incorrect. The answer is 32%. Question 6 has a preamble. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether these statements are true or false. True or false questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. Elmina Methodist JHSB. Every individual website on the internet is assigned to its own distinct permanent IP address.
False.
That is correct. The answer is false. Elmina Methodist JHSA. An IP address can both be static and dynamic, depending on how it is configured.
True.
That is correct. The statement is true. Police Basic School. The domain name in a URL replaces the need for an IP address in web browsing.
False.
Oh, unfortunately, this is a true statement. So I've taken my mark. I'm also earning marks. Elmina Methodist JHSA. The adult housefly is 6 to 7 centimeters long.
False.
The answer is false. Give them a round of applause. Police Basic School. The life expectancy of a housefly is generally 15 to 30 days and depends on temperature and environmental conditions.
True.
That is correct. The statement is true. Elmina Methodist JHSB. Adult flies feed with sponging mouth parts that are saturated with their saliva to aid post-digestion.
True.
That is correct. The statement is true. So we've come to the end of round 1, and your scores will be brought to you. Give yourselves a round of applause. Break, and then when we come back, I would make your scores known to you. Well done. Welcome back. I'm sure it feels like you are sitting on needles and pins to know the scores for your schools. Supporters, are you in the house? Give me a wave. Supporters, are you in the house? Give me a wave. They are busily wanting to hear their scores. All right. So before I read the scores for the end of round 1, there is a rectification I would want to make. So for question 3, Police Basic School, with a shortcut, that's the alternate answer was F5. You answered as Control plus R, which is actually correct. So your major, that was your major question. So your 4 points have been awarded, whilst Elmina B we take the bonus award points for that question. So with that rectification done, at the end of round 1, Elmina Methodist JHSA, you have 16 points. Police Basic School, you have 16 points. Elmina Methodist JHSB, you have 9 points. Give them a round of applause. They have done so well. We continue with this afternoon's contest. Round 2 is the fastest brain, fastest finger. One question will be read out, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from the question. After the buzzer is pressed, the contestants must answer in 3 seconds. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete for the answer. A wrong answer in this round attracts a penalty of 1 point, as always. Best wishes to you all. Before we start round 2, I would want you to sound your buzzers one more time. Police Basic School, can I hear? Elmina B and Elmina A. Thank you very much. Can we go through the sounding of your buzzer one more time? Elmina Methodist JHSA. Elmina Methodist JHSB. Police Basic School. We will take another short break. I will see you in a bit. Do not go away. Welcome back from our short break. Contestants, are you ready for the fastest brain, fastest finger? Are your brains as activated as your fingers are? Are you ready? Okay. I would want to do another quick buzzer check. So, Elmina A. All right. Police Basic School. And then Elmina Methodist B. We are set and ready to start with round 2. What class of lever occurs when a person is fishing with the fishing rod? Elmina Methodist A.
Third class lever.
Third class lever. That is correct. Which system of fish farming allows the integration of fish culture with agriculture or livestock rearing? Elmina Methodist B.
Mixed farming.
Incorrect. Still open. It is integrated fish rearing. The force which comes into operation when a ball rolls on the ground is Elmina Methodist A.
Kinetic and
Incorrect. It is frictional force. Yao paid 80 Ghana cedis for a shirt that was on sale at a 20% discount. What was the original price of the shirt? Police Basic School?
100 cedis.
100 cedis is correct. What is the name given to the permanent memory that holds instructions needed for a computer? Elmina Methodist B.
Hard disks.
I would complete the question. What is the name given to the permanent memory that holds instructions needed for a computer to start up? Elmina Methodist A.
read-only memory.
Read-only memory is correct. Solid nonmetals normally break into pieces when hammered because they are Elmina Methodist A.
Malleable.
Police Basic School.
Brittle.
They are brittle. That is correct. Order the decimals. 0.124, 0.421, and 0.294 from the least to the greatest. Elmina Methodist A.
0.124, 0.1294, and 0.421.
That is correct. The term that describes the downward movement of water through soil and rocks is?
Please, the question.
The answer is percolation. Percolation. We come to the end of round 2. Congratulations to all competing schools. Your scores will be brought to you shortly. Welcome back, and at the end of round 2, Elmina Methodist JHS-A, you have 10 points. For round 2, you have 10 points. Police Basic School, you have 8 points. Elmina Methodist JHS-B, you have -2 points. Give them a round of applause. They've done so well in round 2. Contestants, are you ready for round 3?
Yes, please.
That's great. Yeah, we can. So with scores accrued from round 1 and round 2, the total score for Elmina Methodist JHS-A is 26. 26. Police Basic School, 24. 24. Elmina Methodist JHS-B, you have 7 points. 7 points. Give them the round of applause as we get them ready for round 3. Round 3 is my favorite round, you know. Round 3 is the Science and Technology Challenge. The preamble for round 3 reads, 1 question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 15 points. Contestants will be given up to 15 minutes to complete the task. Remember, round 3 is powered by this Dext Science set. You are provided with a laptop computer with Microsoft Word installed. Do you have a laptop computer in front of you? I can see that. Open the application and perform the following tasks. Task 1. Create a table of 3 columns. The first column should be these electrical components: resistor, capacitor, diode, and a transistor. Using the insert and shapes function, draw the electrical symbols for these components in column 2. In column 3, state one function of the components. Save the file into a folder you have created on the desktop. The name of the file should be dext, and the name of the folder should be the name of your school. Are you ready to start your technology challenge? You may now start your science and technology challenge. So you have less than 3 minutes more. You should be rounding up with your tasks. And by now, and your task will be assessed. Answers to the related task questions, I would want to take you through so you know what to expect and how your tasks were assessed. So for properly inserting the table with the right columns and rows, you make 1 mark. Each correct symbol also carries 1 mark, making a total of 4 marks for the second task. For the third task, each function correctly stated also carries 1 mark, and therefore you have a total of 4 marks. For task 4, saving the file as text carries 1 mark. Moving the file to the folder you create in your school's name also gives you 1 mark. We will bring you the scores shortly. Welcome back. Your tasks have been assessed and been awarded some marks. So for Elmina Methodist JHS A, for task 1, you got 1 out of 1. For task 2, you couldn't get any of the symbols correct, so you scored 0/4 for task 2. But with task 3, you scored 4/4. For task 4, you were not able to save the file as text, so you scored 0/1. And for task 5, you were also not able to create the folder that was supposed to be labeled as the name of your school. So in total, you made 5 marks out of 10. Give Elmina Methodist a round of applause. Police Basic School. For task 1, you got 1 out of 1. For task 2, you could also not get any of the symbols correctly inserted, so 0 out of 4. For the third task, you had 4 out of 4, and for task 4, you were able to name the file as text, so you had 1 out of 1, and you also were able to create the folder named after your school. So you had a total of 7 out of 10 marks. Elmina Methodist JHS B. Task 1, you had 1 out of 1. For task 2, you were able to get only 1 symbol right. So you had 1 out of 4 marks. For task 3, you had 1 out of 1. And for task 3, you had 4 out of 4. For task 1, you were able to name the file as text, so you had 1 out of 1, and then you were also able to create the folder. Therefore, your total marks that you gained was 8 out of 10. Give Elmina Methodist also a round of applause. So at the end of round 3, Elmina Methodist JHS A, you have a total mark of 31. 31. Police Basic School, you had also a total of 31. Elmina Methodist JHSB, a total of 15. The next round, I'm sure will break our tie. Give all 3 contesting schools a loud round of applause. I'd say well done and congratulations up to this point. Before we move on to our last and final round, the round that is going to determine the winner of this third contest of the day, the round that is going to break the tie, hopefully, that we see in our scores. We would have, for Elmina Methodist JHS, Inshiraba would go out and be substituted by Isaac. Inshiraba, thank you so much and well done. Hello, Isaac. Hello, Isaac. How are you, Isaac? How are you, Isaac?
Yes, I'm fine.
Very well, thank you. Maybe you can tell me your favorite meal. Esi couldn't tell me. Please, what's your favorite meal?
Rice and chicken.
Rice and chicken. All right. I hope it's grilled chicken. All right, Isaac, we are welcome. For Elmina Methodist JHSB, Henaku goes out and Valerie comes in. Well done, Henaku. Well done. You've brought your school this far. Valerie, good to see you.
Thank you.
All right. Valerie, what is your favorite game? What is your favorite game?
Ampe.
Wow. All right. Hopefully, if I get to see you in Kumasi, I will do a little ampe with you before you start your first contest in Kumasi, precisely at KNUST. All right. So we move on to round 4, which is our final round. This round is the decoding the clues round. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, you get 6 points. If answered correctly on the second clue, you have 5 points. On the third clue is 4 points. And on the fourth or any other indication is 3 points. Here again, contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. As always, failure to press the buzzer before answering will disqualify you from that particular question, and your answer will also be nullified even if it is correct. Are we all set for our final round? The round that I think will determine the winner of this contest. Your first set of clues. I am a movement where a shape is flipped upside down or sideways over a straight line. Police Basic School.
Reflection.
Reflection, correct on the first clue. Your second set of clues. I have a finger-like appearance. Elmina Methodist A.
Villain.
That is also correct. Correct on the first clue. Your third set of clues. I have no breath, but I power life into your world. I sit in Elmina Methodist A.
Energy.
I sit in silence, hidden beneath a shell of plastic and steel. I connect and command, but I am not seen at the front. Without me, your circuits cannot think, nor program run. Elmina Methodist B.
The dry cell.
I am the chip that leads your brain's Police Basic School.
Electricity.
No, that is the Central Processing Unit, the CPU. Set 4. I am the soft tissue inside a tooth. Elmina Methodist A.
Pulp cavity.
Pulp cavity. You are the pulp. All right. So correct on the first clue. Correct on the first clue. In fact, in my 4 years or so moderating the Jsmq, this is the fastest time within which round 4 has been completed. Give yourselves a round of applause. Give yourselves a round of applause. So So your scores will be brought to you shortly. But before the scores are brought to you, there are some sponsors and some partners we need to acknowledge. This quiz was organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and supported by the College of Science and the College of Engineering. We appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to you. The 2025 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by KNUST e-Learning for all our media and video coverages. We are grateful. Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST. Thank you for making our journey around the nation so easy and pleasurable. The venues you provide to support the quiz are well appreciated. Dex Technologies. At Dex Technologies, we say, practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality, and you always make it very exciting and hands-on. Ghana Grid Company Limited, GridCo. Provide reliable electricity grid for development. MTN Stakeholders Management. We say everywhere you go. Nestle Ghana Limited. Good food, good life. Kesben TV, our media partners. We say thank you for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcasts and commitment to quality have significantly amplified our reach and our impacts. We deeply appreciate your dedicated support and collaboration. So all too soon, we come to the end of the Central Region qualifiers. We come to the end of our third contest. Are you ready for your scores? We have one thing more to do to actually finish up with the scores. So for round 4, at the end of round 4, Elmina Methodist JHSA, you had 12 points. Police Basic School Cape Coast, you had 6 points. Elmina Methodist JHSB, you had 0 points. So at the end of 4 total complete rounds, are you ready for the final scores? I am so excited. I would say congratulations to all schools. Well done for the fact that you've gone through this rigorous training and are seated in your seats, live on air for the entire nation and the world to see how competent you are. I would say congratulations to all schools. Finally, for a total score of 15, Elmina Methodist JHSB, a total score of 15 at the end of the contest. Give them a round of applause. I want to hear that round of applause. Police Basic School, Cape Coast, you have a total of 37 points at the end of this contest. Vanessa, let me see you smile. I'm waiting for Vanessa's smile. Well done. Elmina Methodist JHSA, with a total of 43 points. As your quiz moderator for this contest, I declare Elmina Methodist JHSA as the winners of the third contest of the third day in the Central Region qualifiers. Give them a round of applause. So on behalf of JSMQ, we would want to say a big thank you for being here with us. Our contestants, we say thank you. Our trainers, we also say thank you. And to our viewers and our supporters, we couldn't have made it without you. Our viewers in person at the studio and our viewers also online, we say thank you very much and hope to see you in our next round of contest. My name is Lauren Sala from the Department of Physiology in the School of Medical Sciences at KNUST. So stay blessed and take care. Bye-bye.